Hi everyone, and welcome back to the VPN Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Hassan, an editor at VPN Ranks, and today we're going to be tackling the burning question: can the government theoretically inspect your VPN traffic with deep packet inspection? Now, this question has been causing a lot of curiosity and just a little bit of concern for people who take their privacy very seriously, which is why we're going to be tackling this question in a manner which is both fun and interesting and informative. So let's get started. First off, let's clarify what we mean by VPN traffic. Well, when you connect to a VPN, your internet activities are kept private by encrypting your connection and keeping your IP address hidden. Sounds perfect, right? But is there a way that people can actually snoop in on this online activity? Now imagine you're at your favorite cafe and you're sipping on your favorite latte and you're working on your laptop, but there's someone who's trying to snoop into your screen. That is somewhat what we mean by man-in-the-middle attack. So you see, theoretically, the government could place itself between you and your VPN connection, snooping in on all of that juicy data. But here's the kicker. VPNs use something called a public key cryptography. Now what is that? When you connect to a VPN, your computer already has the public key of the server. Now the public key acts like a padlock and only people with the private key are able to access it. Now if anyone, like the government, is trying to intercept your data, they won't have the private key, and for this reason they won't be able to decrypt your data or send valid packets. Now let's talk about deep packet inspection or DPI. With this technology, your internet service provider or your government can inspect the data packets that are being sent over the internet. Using this, they can tell whether you're using a VPN because VPN actually follows a distinct trend. However, they cannot tell what type of content you're giving access to using a VPN. They can only see that you're using a VPN. It's like being able to see a delivery truck but not being able to tell what is inside it. But wait, while they can't see your VPN traffic, they can actually block certain protocols after detecting that you're using a VPN. Countries like Egypt have been known to do exactly that. And if you're in more restrictive environments, it is recommended that you look into further stealth protocols. These protocols make it look like the VPN that you're using is just basic normal web traffic. And for this reason, a government won't be able to tell that you're using a VPN after all. So could the government theoretically be able to decrypt your online activities with deep packet inspection? In theory, the government will be able to tell that you're using a VPN, but they cannot decrypt any of your online activities without the private key. For most users, means that your online activities are completely anonymous and secure. I hope this video cleared some air around the question that everyone was asking. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Also, let me know in the comments below that do you feel safer using a VPN now? We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.